Okay, now let us move to one more problem today. Today we need to complete this chapter, then we shall switch over to the tomorrow onwards new chapter. Okay, my dear students. So I will discuss very important questions. Right. Don't worry, first I read the question. So this is the question. Don't worry, once again I will rewrite the question. The number of non-perfect squares numbers between 2017 square and 2018 square. My dear students, we need to find out the number of non-perfect squares between 2017 square and 2018 square. That we need to find out. Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? Right. So we have one formula. See, number of non-perfect squares between n square and n plus 1 whole square. N and n plus 1 are two consecutive numbers, is equal to 2 into n, 2n. This is the formula. That means here n equals to 2017. So this value 2017. So therefore number of non-perfect squares equals to 2 times 2017. Just multiply 2017 with 2, then you will get the answer. So what is your answer? What is your answer? Okay, John C, what's your answer first of all? What is your answer? So that means what we need to do, it 2017 is multiplied with 2. So 2 7 ja 14, 34, 2 into 0, 0, 2 2 ja 4. So answer is 4034. 4034 is right answer. So now easily you can select your option. Yes, right, D is the right option. Okay, let us move to one more important question. Right. Important question. Right. See, this is the question. Right. Let me read the question. Number of perfect cubes from 1 to 1000. From 1 to 1000, how many perfect cubes are there? So let me explain. See, 1 cube also includes 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cube is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, 27, 4 cube is equal to 64, 5 cube is equal to 125. Am I correct? 6 cube is equal to 216. 7 cube is equal to 343. 8 cube is equal to 512. So 9 cube is equal to how much you'll be getting? 9 cube is equal to, that is 729. 10 cube. 10 cube is equal to 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. That means number of perfect squares from 1 to 100 is, just you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So answer is there. For example, the same question is asked like this. The number of perfect squares between 1 and 1000. Between 1 and 1000 means you need to discard 1 and 1000. You need to ignore 1 and 1000. So 10 minus 2, that will be 8. Between, not instead of from, between is given. Between 1 and 1000 means answer is 8. From 1 to 1000 means includes 1000 also. So 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, 729, 1000 are the perfect cubes. I hope it's very clear to you. Yes or no, you need to chart. Not B. It is, you will get confusion. So I'll give the one more question also. See, the number of perfect cubes perfect cubes between this is the difference between the previous problem and this problem, between 1 and 1000. 1 and 1000 means we should not include 1 and 1000. So bit 1 and 1000, in between 1 to 1000, that is actually 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube. You count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8. The number of perfect cubes between 1 and 1000 is 8. The number of perfect cubes from 1 to 100 is, including 1 and 1000, total there will be 10. So that is the difference you need to understand. Okay. Right. Let us move to yet another problem. So 1 minute. Okay. So let us go through this question now. First of all, read this question. For what values of n square plus 96 is a perfect square? This is the question. That means for what values of n? So that means if you go on replacing n values, if n square plus 96 becomes a perfect square, that we need to check that. For what values of n, the n square plus 96 becomes a perfect square. That we need to check. Option wise, let us check. See, actually here, for example, if you put n is equal to 2, what do you get now here? N square. N square means 2 square plus 96. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 96, that is 100. Yes, for n is equal to 2, it is a perfect square. So now 2. Now n is equal to 5, substitute. N is equal to 5 means n square. That means 5 square. N square plus 36 at n is equal to 5. 5 square plus 96. That is 25 plus 96. That will be 121. Yes, 121 is a perfect square because it's 11 square. It's a perfect square. Now n is equal to 10. If you put n is equal to 10, what do you get now here? 10 square plus 96. 10 square plus 96 means 100. 10 square is plus 96. 196. 196 is the square of 14. 14 square. Yes, it's also perfect square. N is equal to 2, n is equal to 5, n is equal to, let us check 23. N is equal to 23. First, let us find out 23 square. What is the value of 23 square? 23 into 23. See, 23 into 23 means 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. So that will be 9 to 529. So this is 529 plus 96. So that is equal to, actually you will be getting 529 plus 96. Actually this is 23 square. 23 square. 23 square is, so 529. 529 plus 96. 529 plus 96 is equal to 9 plus 6, 5, 1, 10, 12, 625. Yes, 625 also 25 square. That means for n is equal to 2, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 10, n is equal to 23. n square plus 96 becomes a perfect square. So A is the right answer. A is the right answer. Did you get it now? You need to check. You need to check. Right? So 1 minute. Right. So you need to check. Yes, A is the right answer. So let us move to one more interesting problem now. Right. See, my dear students, if root mn is equal to 8, then possible least value of m plus n. That means it's a very interesting question. Both the m and n values have not been provided with us, but root mn is given. With the help of root mn is equal to 8, we are asked to find out the minimum value of m plus n. So now let us try here. How to proceed? What is given? Root mn is equal to 8 given. So now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So if you square on both sides, what will happen? So this root of mn whole square is equal to 8 square. My dear students, remember this root of anything. For example, a is there. Root a whole square is equal to, you get a. So root mn whole square also mn. 8 square is 64. So that means product of the two numbers is 64. That means we need to find out the factors of 64. What are the factors of 64? Factors of 64 means 64 into 1. Either m is equal to 64, n is equal to 64, m plus n will be 65. That will be more, but we need smallest value of m plus n. So next we can write 64 into 1, you can write, and also this we can write 16 4 ja 64. Next we can write 8 8 ja. Anything? The factors, other factors we have. So that means here add 64 plus 1, 65. 16 plus 4 is 20. Here 8 plus 8 is 16. So of all 65, 20, 16, which is the least value? Yes, 16 is the least value. So our answer is A. I hope it's very clear to you. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, okay, okay. Let us move to next problem. So let us move to next problem. Now next, this is very important problem. Just you check this question. Right. Which is greater among the following? Which is greater among the following? A. What is A here? A is 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2. So I will tell you. 2 to the power of 2. 2 square means 4. See, 2 power 4 is 16. This will be 2 power 16. 2 power 16 means you can write 2 power 4 whole square you can write. Sorry, not whole square, 2 power 4, 4 right now. 2 power 4 is 16, 16 to the power of 4. That will be 16 into 16 into 16 into 16, very bigger number. 16 into 16 is 256, 256 into 256. So very bigger value this will be getting. So B means 2 square, whole square, again whole square. That means 2 square whole square is 2 power 4. This is 2 power 4 whole square. 4 into 8, 2 power 8. 2 power 8 means 2 power 4 into 2 power 4 right now. That is 16 into 16. This is 256. Only 1 256 you will be getting. This is 222. 222 square also very small. So that means actually we need greater value. This will be the greater value. A is the greater value. A is the greater value. So, okay, don't chart your personally. If you want to chart only the subject related, you need to discuss. Right. Next, let us move to next question now. Right, wait for a while. Right. Now, let us move to a very beautiful question now. This is, see this question. Right. So once again, I will rewrite the question. If pi to the power of root x plus 12 to the power of root x is equal to 13 to the power of root x, then what is the value of x? This is our question. If 5 to the power of root x plus 12 to the power of root x is equal to 13 to the power of root x, then x value we need to find out. Okay, see my dear students, we have already one important note we studied in the previous class. This 5 comma 12 comma 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. Is a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet means very simple. 5 square plus 12 square. You can check. Y square is 25. 12 square is 144. 144 plus 25 is 169. My dear students, 169 is, sorry, 169, that is 13 square. That means now we can write 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. Compare this one to our problem, this problem. So that means in the place of root x, we have 2. That means root x is equal to 2. Squaring on both sides. Root x whole square is equal to 2 square. Root x square means x, 2 square is 4. So x is equal to 4 is the right answer. X is equal to 4 is the right answer. No, not B. You check. Aradhya, right? Yes, 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 yes. Varshini, right. Very good. 4 is the right answer and D. D is the right answer. It's very important question. These kind of questions may be asked in Olympiad examinations also. But it is 8th standard itself only. Right. So now let us move to one more interesting question. Right. So let us discuss one more problem. So my dear students, check this question. Root of 41 minus root of 21 plus root of 19 minus root 9. See, I will read the question once again for your better understanding. Root of 41 minus root of 21 plus square root of 19 minus root 9. So how to solve this problem? First you find root 9. See, first this root value find out. This root value find out. So this root value find out, first of all. Separately, let us find out. Root of 19 minus root 9. This is equal to root of 19 minus, actually, root 9 is how much actually you will be getting 3. This will be, 1 minute. I will come to this question also. Something given question is wrong here. So we can check. We can check. We can check it. Don't worry. We can check it. This is, for example, this is not 19. It must be, for example, 29, not 29, 28, 19 minus 19 plus 3 is 22. Okay, wrong. So now there is something mistake is there. Let us move to another problem. Another problem. Okay. We shall discuss another problem. Right. One more question. Let us go for next question. Right. Check this question. Right. If 3, 4, 5a is divisible by 3, then a value equals to a value. So for example, what is the divisibility rule for 3? So that means sum of the digits we need to find out. Sum of the digits. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So let us add the numbers. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus a plus 7 should be divisible by 3. So this equal to 3 plus 4, 7, 12, 19 plus a. So that means 19 plus a must be multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. First go for A option. 19 plus 2 is 21. Yes, 21 is divisible by 3 because this can be written 3 into 7. Yes, this is also correct answer. Go for B. Substitute 5. 19 plus 5. 19 plus 5 is actually 24. 24 also we can write 3 into 8. Yes, it is also divisible. C. Go for C. Now 19 plus 8. 19 plus 8 is 27. That also we can write 3 into 9. It's also divisible by 3. So that means all of the above. D is the right option. D is the right option. Yes, Nana, D is the right option. All of the above. Yes, yes, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Right. Next, let us move to one more question now. Right. So first, all of you try to read this question. The sum of all even numbers from 1 to 120. Sum of the even numbers from 1 to 120. First, even numbers write down. What are the even numbers from 1 to 120? 1 is not an even number. 1 is a odd number. 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, and so on. Even 120 also even number. Now take 2 common. If you take 2, what we need to find out? Sum. Sum means 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus and so on dash dash 120. Take 2 common. If you take 2 common, you get like this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus and so on 60. That means, my dear students, you should know the sum of the first 60 natural numbers. So I will give one beautiful formula. Sum of the first n natural numbers. N natural numbers. This was given by the great mathematician Carl Friedrich Gauss. Formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. Here n means this 60. So this is equal to, we can write 2 times n, 60 times 60 plus 1 by 2. This 2 gets cancelled. 60 into 61. This is the answer. So what is your answer? Just type it. Type your chart session, all of you. There should be at least 120 responses. I need to check. Yes. 61 multiplied with 60. So 0, 6 1 ja 6, 36. 0, 6, 36. So that means 3660. So which is the right option? Now you select yourself, your answer. So what is your answer? You need to select. You need to select. Right? I hope you might have got it now. So whenever you are asked to find out sum of the first n natural numbers, you write down like this also, very clear manner, better. Sum of the first n natural numbers. N natural numbers is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the beautiful formula. You need to apply it. You need to apply it. Right? Yes, A is the right answer. A is the right answer. Srinivas, Narendra Raj, Rajkumar, Manju, no, not D. Yes, that is A is the right option. Okay, let us move to one more question now. Let us move to one more interesting question. All right. Now see this question. 10 to the power of 2n minus 1 is divisible by which of the following? Divisible by 9, divisible by 11, or divisible by 9, or all of the above. You need to check. 10 to the power of 2n minus 1. So my dear students, so here one concept we need to keep in mind. So what is the concept means? The general form of even number. Even number will be in the form of 2n. That means here, my dear students, it's an even number. Even number means you select any even number for 2n. Let us take 2n is equal to 2 or even 4 or 6 or 8 or anything, you can select it. So better you take 2. 2n is equal to 2. What do you get now? 10 square minus 1. 10 square minus 1 means you get 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1 is 99. This 99 we can write 11 into 9. So that means 11 into 9. This we can write 11 into 9 also, 3 into 3 also we can write it. So that means it is divisible by 9. Yes, it is divisible by 11. It is divisible by 3. So all of the above is the right answer. All of the above. Yes or no? Yes or no? You need to chart. Okay. Right. Right. Absolutely correct. So I have been watching your all charts also, YouTube as well as in Zoom sessions. Both the sessions I am attending. Right. So let us move to one more interesting topic. Right. See, this is the question. What is the question means? 1 to the power of 11 plus 2 to the power of 11 plus 3 to the power of 11 plus 4 to the power of 11 is divisible by. So this is actually 11 is a odd number. Am I correct now? It's an odd number. So 1 to the power of 11 is 1 only. 1 only you will be getting. Right? See, my dear students, actually one thing remember, 2 power 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 8. 2 power 4 is 16. Again, if 5 comes, you will be getting 2. 2 power 5 is 32. Right. So now similarly, 3 power 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 3 cube is 27. 3 power 4 is 81. Again, 3 power 5 is equal to, you will be getting, how much you will be getting? 243. It ends with a 3. After 4, it repeats, 3 repeats. That means last you see 3, 9, 7, 1 you will be getting. So next, my dear students, even 4 you can check. 4 power 1, 4. 4 square 16. 4 cube is 64. So that means again 4 power 4 is 256 you will be getting. After 2 only it repeats. After 2 only it repeats. So that means this we can write 1 to the power of 1 is 1 only you can write. This we can write, my dear students, 2 power 4 write down, 2 power 4 into 2 power 7 write down. or otherwise you can write like this also. 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute. This we can write for our convenience. 1, 2 power 11 means 2 power 4 into 2 power 7, right? 2 cube into 2, 7. 7 means 2 cube whole square, right? 2 power 6, 6, this will be 5. 1 minute. I'll count now. 1 minute. Right. This is 2 power 11. 2 power 11 means divide 11 by 4, Nana. Better that is. 4 2 ja 8. You will be getting 3. You take this reminder. 2 cube right, no problem. Similarly, 11 also divided by 4. You will be getting 3 cube right. Here 4 power 11. 11 is divided by 2 right. 2 5 ja 10. So 1 you will be getting. So this is 4 right. So 1 plus 4 is 5 right. 2 cube. 2 cube is end with 8. 8 right. Unit digit. 3 cube. 3 cube is end with 27. So 7 right. So total 15, 15, 5, 20 you will be getting. Sum of the units is 20. 20 means it is divisible by 4 or 5. Divisible by 4 or 5. So 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 5. Right, 2 cube, 3 cube is 7, 4 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 5 is 10, you will be getting 4 only, it ends with 4, right? It ends with 3 cube means 7. Here 2 cube is 8, okay? 13, 20. Divisible by 4 or 5, both options are correct. Right. Write one more next problem. Right. One more question. This is very important question now. We need to discuss. Wait 1 minute. See, let us check this question now. Let us check this question. See, I will write the question once again. The number of factors of 7 to the power of 2007. How many number of factors are there? So my dear students, so factors of any number means, for example, n is a number. So if n is a number means 1 and n also their factors. The 1 divides n, n also divides n. 1 and same number itself are the factors. So that means 1 means you can write here, for example, n is there, you can write n power 0. But n instead of n we have 7. So that means we can write number of factors is equal to number of factors are 7 power 0, 7 power 1, 7 power 2, 7 power 3 and so on 7 power 2007. So up to this one is 2007 including this factor 1. So 2007 plus 1. So answer is 2008. 2008 factors. C is the right answer. C is the right answer. C is the right answer. Okay, let us move to yet another problem. Yet another problem. Right. One more question we need to discuss. Right. See, what is the question? If A, B, C, D are consecutive multiples of 5, then A minus C into D minus B. Don't get any confusion. Consecutive means one after one, one after one, one after one. Yes, one after one. So that means here A, B, C, D are consecutive. consecutive multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. So first multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. Next 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25. So these 5 are the consecutive multiples of 5. Consecutive multiples of 5 means here A is 5, B is 10, C is 15, now D is 20. What we need to find out? A minus C multiplied with D minus B. So first find A minus C. So that into D minus B. So we need to find out like this. A minus C. A minus C means 5 minus 15. D minus B multiplied with D minus B. D minus B means this 20 minus 15. So minus 15 plus 5 is minus 10. Am I correct? Into 20 minus 15 is 5. So you will be getting minus 50 is the right answer. Minus 50. So check it now. Consecutive multiples of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Sorry, A minus C. C is 15. That's correct. Okay. That is A minus C. 5 minus 15 minus 10. Next we have D minus B. D minus B is 20 minus 15, 5. So minus 15. Answer is not there, but minus 50 is the right answer. Okay, minus 50 is the right answer. Right, next question. Okay, next question. This is also very interesting question. This question is very interesting question. All of you go through this question. It's very interesting question. So if A plus B is equal to, if A plus B equals to 2018, then the value of minus 1 to the power of A plus minus 1 to the power of B. This is the question. Think about this question. What might be your answer? What might be your answer? So what might be your answer? Right. Here, my dear students, one concept we need to remember. It's very simple concept. That is the even odd concept itself only. Sum of two numbers is equal to actually here 2018. 2018 is an even number. So that means sum of two numbers is equal to even means each number must be even. That means even plus even only you get even. That means here A is even number and B is also even number. So what we are asked actually here, minus 1 to the power of even plus minus 1 to the power of even. It's very clear. Minus 1 to the power of even is 1. Minus 1 to the power of odd number is always negative 1. So you get plus 1 is equal to 2. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Okay, Lasya, answer is 2. Right? So that means not 2 or minus 2. Answer is 2 is the right answer. Absolutely 2. Because otherwise, yes, Nana. Otherwise, one more chance also there. Odd numbers also. Add odd plus odd. Odd plus odd also even. Very good, Nana. So that's why minus 1 to the power of odd plus minus 1 to the power of odd. That is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1. So minus 2. So that means C is the right option. Absolutely correct. C is the right option. Because odd number plus odd number also even number. Even number plus even number also even number. These two cases we need to remember. That means A may be even, B may be even, or A may be odd, B may be odd. So that's why the two cases we will get it. If both are even, you get two answer. If both are odd, you get -2. That means 2 or -2 is the right answer. Clear? Yes or no? Right. C is the right option. Next, let us move to another question now. Right. Okay. Let us move to this question now. You try this question. Right. This is the question. The number of digits in 8 to the power of 20 into 25 to the power of 25. 25 to the power of 25. How many number of digits are there? How many number of digits are there? That we need to find out. Very interesting question. So that means if you expand 8 to the power of 20, you get as one number. Even if you find 25 to the power of 25, if you expand 25 to the power of 25, you will get another number. If you multiply both the numbers, you will get a resulting number. In that resulting number, how many number of digits are there? The digits we need to find out. So my dear students, you remember this 8 can be written as like this. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means we can write 2 cube. Clear? I hope it's very clear to you. So now 25. This 25 you can write 5 into 5. 5 into 5 means 5 square. So now this can be written instead of 8, 2 cube write down. 2 cube to the power of 20 into 25 means 5 square all to the power of 25. We have one beautiful formula in exponent chapter. A to the power of m all to the power of n. A to the power of mn. So that means multiply 2 into 3, multiply 2 into 25. So we get this is 2 to the power of 60 into this is 5 to the power of 50, you can write it. Again, one more interesting factor, the 2 to the power of 60 we can write 2 to the power of 10 plus 50. That means 2 to the power of 10 into 2 to the power of 50. So that means this we can write again 2 to the power of 60 means 2 to the power of 10 into 2 to the power of 50 into 5 to the power of 50. So we have one more formula. A to the power of m into b to the power of m. This we can write ab to the power of m. So that means this 2 we can write 2 to the power of 10 into 2 into 5. 2 into 5 means 10. 10 to the power of 50. So 10 to the power of 50 means 2 to the power of 10 find out. 2 to the power of 10 means 2 to the power of 5 is 32. 32 into 32. This is 1024. Into 10 to the power of 50 means actually you get 10000. How many means? Total there will be 50 zeros. 50 zeros. This is actually 50 zeros. That means 51 digits we have here. Here that means actually you will be getting here this is equal to 1024 0 0 0 and so on zeros you will be getting. These zeros are 50 zeros plus 4 digits. Total 54 digits in this resulting number. Yes, 54. Here actually dot means into only, my dear students. This is into only. Okay, this is very interesting question. The number of digits means number of zeros and also 1, 2, 3, 4. So total digits in this one is 54 digits. So you need to apply the concept of powers and exponents concept also. In 8th class, we have that chapter. In 7th class also. Better you go through them. Right, one more interesting question. Let's discuss, right? Let us try this question. You try this question. Right. See, the sum of two numbers is 52. LCM is 168. What are numbers? That means first check the sum. A, 20 plus 32. Yes, 52 you will be getting. A is also right answer. Go to 50. 24 plus 26. You will be getting 50. No, it's wrong. Because sum should be 52. Go to 12. 12 plus 40. 12 plus 40 is equal to 52. Yes, it's also correct. Go to D. 24 plus 28. 24 plus 28 is equal to, you will be getting 52. This is also correct. Only one option has been eliminated. This is eliminated. Either A or C, D we need to select. LCM 168 we need to find out. LCM 168 means you take this number 24 and 28. Find the LCM. What do you get? 224 ja, 212 ja, 224 ja. Next 26 ja, 212 ja. 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja. You try 2 into 2 4, 24, 48. No. This is 14 ja. 6 7. You will be getting 7. So 6 2 ja 12, 24. 24 into 42 you will be getting. So 4 2 ja 8. 4 4 ja 168. No, it is incorrect. 2032. Find LCM of 2032. 2 10 ja 2 16 ja 2 5 ja 2 4 ja. No. So this is the right answer. C will be the right answer. By elimination method, you need to solve these kind of problems. Okay, next let us move to one more interesting question. Let us try to solve this question. Right. See here question. 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 9 plus 1 by 9 into 11 plus so on dash dash 1 by 217 into 218. That we need to find out. Very simple, Nana. First find the difference of 3 and 5. So difference of 3 and 5 is 5 minus 3, 2. Clear? Difference of 7, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. Difference of this one, 9 minus 7. That will be 2. This difference is 11 minus 9. That will be 2. And similarly, the difference will be 2018 minus 17. That will be 1 only will be getting. But it should be 2016, not 7. Because 11 minus 9 should be same like this only. Now, how to write, I will explain. Don't worry. So that means 2, 2 we have 1 by 2 write down. 1 by 2. Here 1 by 3 write down. First value write down. Minus the last value write down. The last value is this one, 2018. So you simplify, you will be getting the answer. That's all. So whenever the difference is like this, you follow like this. So 1 by 2 write down here. The first number minus this number. You will get the answer. Right. Next, let us move to one more question. Try to solve this question. See this question, all of you. First, try to read the question. If A into B plus C is equal to 152, B into C plus A is equal to 162, C into A plus B is equal to 170, then A, B, C value we need to find out. A into B into C we need to find out. See, my dear students, A into B plus C means apply the distributive property. This we can write AB plus AC is equal to 152. Now, BC plus AB is equal to 162. Next, this will be CA plus CB is equal to 170. Right? Add this one, this one, this one. See, AB plus AB, you will be getting 2AB. BC plus BC, 2BC. CA plus CA or AC, both are same, 2CA. Equal to 152, 162, 170. 4, 11, 18, 484. Divide by 2. What do you get? AB plus BC plus CA is equal to, you will be getting 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 242. 242 you will be getting. Then ABC we need to find out. 1 minute, right? Right. Okay, there is something missing data. Okay, I will discuss tomorrow. And next, let us move to one more question. Right. Let us move to one more question here. Right. See this question. The last digit of the sum of, okay, 2002, 2000, 2005. So 1 minute, I will check this question. Next one is 2003, 2006 plus 2007, 2007. So that means actually the last digit of the sum of these numbers is we need to find out. Last digit means unit digit of this resulting number. So my dear students, you remember one thing. Once again you check it. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 8. 2 power 4 is 16. Again 2 power 5 is 32. You stop here. After 4, it repeats again this 2. Unit digit is 2. 3 power 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 3 cube is 27. 3 power 4 is, actually you will be getting 81. Again 3 power 5 is equal to, you will be getting 243. Next 7 power 1 is 7. 7 square is 49. 7 cube is equal to 343. 7 power 4 is equal to something. 7 into 3, 21. 28, 30. 24, 2401. Again repeats. So that means actually you remember one thing, Nana. 2005 divided by 4 rider. 4 50 ja 200 and 5. 4 1 ja 4. You will be getting 1. That means it is equal to same. It is equal to this. We can write 2002 power 1. You can write. Plus, now if you divide by 2006 by 4, what do you get? 2 you will be getting. So this is 2003 whole square, you can write. 7, if you divide by 2007 by 4, what do you get? 3. So that means 2007 whole cube. So 2 power 1. 2 power 1 means 2. You can write. Last digit is 2. 3, you only see the last digit number. 3 square. 3 square means 9. 9 you will be getting. Here last is 7. 7 cube. 7 cube is also end with 3. 3 right down. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 14. So 14 means the unit digit is 4. So answer is this D option. D is the right option. I hope it's very clear. Thank you. Bye bye. Tomorrow we shall discuss another chapter. Right.